Well, hello diamond painters, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. I'm just going to do a quick video of an unboxing for 4 items from Temu. The first item I am going to show you is a sealer. I paid $3.99 for. And what I noticed before I started filming, it says it's only valid until 2024 of May. So I wonder if these have a shelf life in general to use, or after a year it won't even hold your diamonds. So I'm just a little wary of that for lack of better words. So here's the instructions, and on the other side is product features. But like I said, when I saw that, I'm wondering if it's in its liquid state or after you even pour it on your diamond painting. Does it only seal good for a year? So we'll see. I paid $3.99 for it, and I've been wanting one of these from Amazon. It's a couple dollars more. I was supposed to get my Temu order last week on the 15th of June, but it was late. It went from Philly to New Jersey, back to Philly, Harrisburg, Lancaster, Reading. I'm like, this thing traveled more than I did. So it says it's a new upgrade. I don't know what that means, but it's a pop top and the sponge. And of course, it's kind of like those things you use. Oh, see, I'm trying to screw it on. It makes no sense. I guess for when you seal envelopes with the water, you just push and the plunger opens. So yeah, $4. I saw on Amazon these are like $6 or $8, so I decided to go with Temu. Next item is a diamond painting, and it's called Tulips. Well, I call it Tulips. It was $3.43. It's a full round. Sorry for the noise. Hey, that came off pretty easily. Usually you get stuck on the the clear cover. So it says it's a 30 by 40, but we'll measure that, of course. Oh, there's a lot of drills in here. 28 drills. I'm gonna have to write all this down because you guys know how I am. After I get them finished, I review them, which I have 3 over here to still review, and I'm working on a new one. This is the new one I'm going to work on. This came in a pack of 6 from Amazon. It's all different variations of the moon and different lighting. So let me move some of this stuff out my way because I'm going to need some space. There we go. So it is supposed to be a full round. Okay, let's see. I might have to let me make my camera higher. I hope that's better. There's a little bit of glare. I have a window right here. It shows the backyard. We'll deal with that in a minute with the glare. So it comes with a regular toolkit, and it's $3.43, and this is how the drills are packaged. DMC codes are on the canvas, but they're not on the bag. So it looks true to colors. It looks like I have, what are those? I wonder what numbers of white are those. Oh, 3756. Focus, please. Thank you. A lot of pinks and orange, bright colors, which I love. I put the light on in the room. I'm not sure if that helps. It's a cloudy day today. Oh, this is better. I didn't know it opened up. You can see more drills and more colors. I think that's pretty awesome. I did not know they were packaged this way. So let's take a look at the canvas. Okay, very clear. There's some glitter in the canvas. These are the DMC codes. Nothing crazy about the symbols, just a plus symbol. Okay, I notice they have a 0 here. I just want to make sure I didn't have an O. See? And we're going to measure this real quick. Let's see what the measurements are. Because it claims to be 30 by 40, but we all know what that means. All right, let me get this thing out that I ordered a while back, and I just realized I had it. I'll tell you. All right, let's see. So no, it's a little shy of 25, but we're going to call it 25, a little shy. So 25, I like to write this down, by, oops, sorry, so tight. It's a big drafting table, but I feel like I never have space. By 35, so 25 by 35, and I said 28 colors. And I'm just gonna write down what the canvas says. So for future reference, I know which one I'm talking about when I need to do a post review. So that's one of them. I have 2 more to show you, and they're both special drills. So the next one is called, I call her the Peacock Girl, just from what the picture looks like. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there's other things I ordered from Temu. I ordered the guinea pigs little hay bags to hold their hay. And I ordered one of those fly swatter things with like tennis rackets. Because Lancaster County, Pennsylvania is a big cow, cow county, I should call it. Do a lot of milk production here. And so they use the manure for the fields, and you get a lot of flies sometimes. Even though I don't live too close to the fields, it's crazy sometimes. So regular tools kit, no baggies. 10 shapes. This is 10 shapes. 10 shapes. And it says to be a 30 by 30, but we'll check that out in a minute. Let's look at her. Yeah, that's why I called her that, because it looks like peacock feathers. And her skirt looks remnants of a peacock showing off his glorious feathers. And her hair is so pretty. And for some reason, this reminds me of Shimmer and Shine. If you guys don't know what that is, unless you have children that watches Nickelodeon, they had a show called Shimmer and Shine. It was 2 genie sisters, and it was bright colors like this. Let's see what it's supposed to be. So 25 by 25. Let me write that down real quick. I don't know if my table is shaking, and if it is, I am sorry. Sounds like it's shaking. Something over here is jiggling and it's driving me crazy. Oh, I know what it is. It's my wax melts. I've been making wax melts now. I love wax melts. I don't burn candles. And I have a stack of them here from my mom. Let me see if I can show it to you real quick. So yeah, that stack is from my mom. This is my stack. I gave, I had equal amount. The rest I gave to my best friend. She just bought a house. So I gave her, a housewarming gift of wax melts and a wax warmer. So let's see here. So that's what the symbols look like. And these are the drills. So you got the little purple ones, the big purple ones. Got purple rounds. There's a lot of purple in them. Should we open them? Just look at the shapes real quick. Let's do that. Okay. I just want to take it out the package without making too much noise. Let's just see the different shapes we have here. Pretty. Do it this way maybe. There we go. Focus. I think I'm going to need a new phone soon, and I've been putting it off. I don't want it. I don't want a new phone because I hate the bills. But, oh my gosh, phone. Okay, we're just gonna move on. But even my screen on my phone is like two-toned. So one is bright and the other half is kind of on the dark side because I dropped my phone a couple of times. Oh yeah, I think these two are the same. No, they're a little different. This one's a little darker. So we have that. I'll write down the rest of the info after. And she was $279. The tulips was $343, and her price is $279. And the last one I call the branch. Let me open that one up real quick. The branch. This will be a 30 by 40, another special shape. Oops, dropped the toolkit. Sorry about the glare again. We'll look at that a little bit better. Standard toolkit again, no baggies. Let's see. Now this one was $3.99. Well, I'm not sure I said that. Let's see how. So about 25. By 35. $11 shapes. These are the symbols. Okay, let me see if I can do it like this. I thought that was really pretty. It's like a floral lantern type situation. And like a blinged out tree. So very pretty. Looks like there's water in the background, the bottom there. And then this beautiful thing is hanging out in like a beautiful garden. And let's take a look at the drills real quick. Also from Temu, I got some silicone mold. No, that wasn't from Temu. I'm sorry, that was from Amazon. I got a bathing suit. This would be going away on vacation. Ooh, these are pretty. I've never had these before. Look at those. Those are so pretty. Look at those. Let's see. I'm guessing they go here. Yeah, those are pretty. Love that color blue. I think the rest of these I have seen before. I love these. This color and the ABs. Oh, those are so pretty. This is a dark color. I think that's the dark for the branch. I never had, I think this is my first or second time having brown crystal rounds. Can I say that fast? So yeah, that was it. That's everything I got from Temu. I got 3 diamond paintings to show in another video. I am working on the second diamond painting of a 6-pack. I forgot how many I had done, but I'm trying to get those done now so I can show you all 6 in one video. And yeah, I'm just working on some wax melts. Just because that's something, you know, I like. I'm thinking about selling them maybe online, but I don't know what online store to go through. So if any of my viewers, new or who've been with me for a while, thank you, know of any place online to sell them, let me know. I know SD, you can do that, but their fees are expensive from when I was doing my research of some of the online shops. You have Shopify, maybe that would be a good option. I have to look into that. But I also saw on one article that there is a free online store that you can put your stuff on so you could get more of your profit instead of giving almost half of your profits away to like an SD or something. But we'll see. I have to look it up. You know, some things are too good to be true sometimes. But yeah, you know, but this website, I've never heard about it. but the article says, you know, you can start a free online store. But I'll do my research and see. But also, I know some of you might have an online shop, have more experience maybe selling things. Let me know. I know craft shows are one thing. And then in my county, Lancaster County, there's a lot of craft shows. A lot of, you know, little get-togethers at, you know, fire departments, and they, you know, you give them a fee for a table and it goes towards a volunteer firefighter. So, you know, things like that. But it's not something they do all winter. So that's why I was looking at a shop for winter time also online. But let me know if you guys know anything, because I know you guys are awesome also. So thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and bye.